skills. Now, under the computer skills, we have the different activities. Under this, sure, turn on and to turn off the computer. Then to log on, give the user's name and password if applicable. If you have a password, now after this, we create to close and to open the software. The aim is the Microsoft Office Word as well as the Microsoft Excel. Now, then to shut down and to turn off the monitor. Under the word processing skills, we have different activities also. Of course, to open the Microsoft Word, we focus more on the Microsoft Word. To open the Microsoft Word, to open the document, to open an existing document, to save a document, to print, and the last to close a document. We had, as our assignment, our facilitator requested us to make an invitation for our closing exercises today and to be sent to here if possible. That's all. Thank you.